Tonight, at least 90 people are dead in Texas after catastrophic flash flooding.
On Friday, the National Weather Service said 5 to 10 inches of rain caused the Guadalupe River to overflow. This is drone footage. You can see just how high the raging water got.
And this is the video from the ground level where search efforts are still ongoing.
Right now, dozens are still unaccounted for, including 10 girls from a summer camp. Nadia Cavazos is in Texas with the latest on the search and rescue efforts.
This time-lapse video shows how quickly a river in Kingston, Texas rose in just a few minutes on Friday. Search and rescue teams say they're finding bodies up in trees, including at least one of the girls from Camp Mystic.
We found 2 young girls up near the Hunt store, and then about 10 o'clock we found another little girl wrapped up in debris in a tree.
More than 24 campers and counselors from Camp Mystic died in the flooding. It's just one of many children's summer camps along the Guadalupe River, where mountains of debris, including mangled cars, now sit.
From Hunt all the way to Comal County in a straight line distance is over 100 kilometers. This is a massive field that is happening. And again, this is unprecedented flood events.
Flash flood and evacuation alerts from the National Weather Service went out in the middle of the night when most people were asleep.
We had first responders that were getting swept away, actually responding to the first areas of rainfall. That's how quick it happened.
More than 800 high water rescues have happened since the flooding began.
It was scary.
As floodwaters destroyed Scott Walden's house, he and his wife had no other choice but to go outside.
I grabbed my wife and we literally jumped in the water and it swept us down to about 200 feet down that way. And there's a crepe myrtle tree that we grabbed hold of and we waited for rescue.
The risk of life-threatening flooding is still high in Central Texas, with more rain on the way.
President Trump said he will likely visit flood areas on Friday. The president approved a major disaster declaration.